So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your first mobile app using Google AI Studio. And the best part is we are going to create it from scratch. We will also designing the UI and then we will do the coding stuff. So you can create your mobile app without writing a single line of code. So let's get started. So the first of all, we're going to use this Google AI Studio platform for the coding, and we will use sleek.design to generate our app design. If you head over to sleek.design, you will see this interface. Now to start creating your app design, you have a prompt box here. Here all you need to do is just describe what kind of app UI you want to create, like if you want to create a health tracker app, a subscription tracker, or any kind of app you want to create here. There are also some inspiration available like health tracker, crypto wallet, pet manager, and subscription tracker. And if you see the my project section here, you can find all of the recent app you created using this platform. Now let's start. If you have some UI reference, you can paste it right here. Just click on this image button and you can attach the UI reference. And also if you have some design style in your mind, then you can select the design from here. Loads of design are available here. You can select any of these. Now I already have a prompt. If you don't already have a prompt, just describe in a basic words and it will still create a powerful UI for you. Or if you want more better results, you can just go to ChatGPT, describe your business idea, and it will give you a prompt to generate UI for your app. So now I already have a prompt. As I said, I will just paste the prompt and click on this design button. As you click on this design button, it will take you to the dashboard, and here you will see it says analyzing requests, planning screens, planning visual identity, and loads of other stuff. So it will take around 1 minute to analyze all of these things. Then it will start creating our app and whole the theme. And if you want some free credits here, first of all, you will get one project free here. And if you want some more credit, you can see get free credits here. Join 15 minutes call with our founder to share your feedback and get extra AI credits. So if you want to join the 15 minutes call with your founder to give feedback on this platform, then you can get some free extra credits to create your first app. Now you can see it started to creating our theme, and our theme is created here. Here you can see all of the colors, foreground, primary, foreground, secondary, all of the cards, colors, input colors, and all of these details. Currently it's thinking, as you can see, planning all the HTML structure and everything else. And now let's go to the Google AI Studio. To start creating, if you head over to the AI Google Studio, you just need to click on this get started button, and we will just go to the build button, and here you just need to describe what kind of app you want to create. For now, let me just show you an easier way. When the prompt is ready, I mean when the all designs are ready, it will be a very long prompt that you need to copy and paste it. So sometime it can gives you an error. First of all, just type any random word here. Like let me just say, build me a idea. So here you can just enter a normal prompt, build me an idea, validator app, or what kind of app you're creating, and then just send it. And now just click on this cancel generation. Now wait for your app design to finish. Once your app design is finished, we will just paste that prompt so it can create the same level of, the same design of our app that Sleek design gives us. So we will just wait here for about 2 or 3 minutes, and once it's done, I will show you how our app looks like, and then we will move forward to the vibe coding part. So as you can see, it created all the 4 screen that we asked it to create. We have first the home screen, then we have explore, profile, and the settings screen. So now let's start creating it. If you want to download the code directly, you can just click on this export button, and you have the export code option. Once you click on this, you can download the separate page, or you can just download the all code by clicking download all button, and your all code will be downloaded here. If you want to download in React, you can download in React too. Now let's get back to the main point. So we are going to create all of this. For that, all you have to do is just click on this export button, and you will see an option called copy AI prompt. You just have to click on this copy button. Once you click on this copy button, you just need to head over to Google AI Studio and paste the prompt that you just copy. It will be a very long prompt, so it automatically pastes as a text format. And now all you need to do is you need to enter a dot or a random stuff, then just send this. And once you send this, it will start analyzing your prompt. So this prompt contain all of your design structure, how your app should look like. So it will create same app like this you are seeing right now, but difference is it's just a demo, and this app will be a live working MVP that we can like publish it or launch it later. So if you have something like anything or a0.dev, you can just click on this and it will directly input the prompt for you. Or if you want to copy the design to Figma, you have the option to. Or if you want to download the screenshot, you already have a developer and you want to send the screenshots to developers, then just click on this download screenshot button and it will do that for you. And it also has a use agent skill. Your coding agent can access your Sleek projects directly and implement design. You can see use the Sleek skill to implement the project number and all of this stuff. So you can build it directly from here too. Now you can see it says, let me just check what does it say. So it says I have updated the application metadata theme variation, please accept the Firebase. So we need to just click on this enable Firebase, I guess. And yes, that's correct, and it's currently cooking here our app, you can see here. So it will take around 3 or 5 minutes because it's creating our complete app. And once our app is ready, we can see here, and we have the preview option and the code option. For the code side, it will create all the screens we want. So it will take around 3 to 5 minutes, as I said. And once it's done, I will show you how it looks like, then we will move forward. So as you can see, it hardly takes like 3 or 4 minutes and our website is ready. One thing I forgot to show you, once the app is ready, it automatically adds continue with Google option, so we can create account using Google. And if we see on the prompt side, you can see it says I have built Validate AI, a professional AI powered SaaS idea validator. This application provides entrepreneurs with instant data driven visibility reports for their projects using Gemini 3 Flash. So I think it's automatically integrated AI as well. If we see to the key features, it says instant AI analysis, dynamic dashboard, and all of the other features available here. Technical implementations, and we can see everything, and it uses Firebase as the database. So as you can see, it automatically implemented all of the features that we asked it. We have the credit system, notification bar, account, validate idea option, anything if you want to upload along with that, ideas, average score, and we have credits option, recent validations, we can click on that. And if we go to the explore section, we have emerging trends, complete trends, if you can see here, and we have complete other market topics, trends and niches. And if you go to the profile section, you can see we have the profile with number of credits left, plan, and all of the details. And we have the setting page. If you want to log out, you can see we have just logged out. And if you click on continue with Google, you can create your Google account. So you can see it created our complete app. If you want to add some AI features, add trend details, you can just add it from right here. And once your app is ready, all you need to do is you just need to download this code, or you can just share it as well. Just click on the share button and you can like enable this setting called public, so anyone can view this with this link, and you can just share it. And if you want to like download this, you have the GitHub option if you want to connect this with the GitHub. And now let's come to the main part, publish. If you want to publish directly from here, you can just click on this get started button, and you can set up your billing plan and your Gemini API, and you can just publish it from here as well. Now you can see here we have built everything inside our app, and you can build it using AI Google Studio for free, and we have our complete MVP ready. You can add more features as per your needs. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts, if you have any encounter any errors, drop them in comment. In next video I will cover it for you. Thank you so much for watching.